Looking at a massive, dusty computer tower taking up half your legroom or crowding your desk is just a drag, especially when all you want is a fast, reliable desktop for work, streaming, or running a smart home server. Today, we're looking at a brilliant, palm-sized solution that completely redefines computing space, the GMKtec G11 Mini PC. This little powerhouse packs incredible modern features into a chassis that literally fits in the palm of your hand, and it completely wipes the floor with older, sluggish processors. Let's talk about the hardware under the hood, because this is where the G11 truly punches above its weight. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen Embedded R2514 processor, a hyper-efficient chip built for rock-solid stability and continuous workloads. Performance-wise, it comfortably beats out older laptop chips like the Ryzen 300U and completely dominates the popular Intel N150. Paired with a massive 16GB of fast DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 512GB PCIe M.2 solid-state drive, this machine boots up in seconds. It flies through multi-tab web browsing, massive spreadsheets, 41K video playback, and intensive business multitasking without hitting a single stutter. But the real kicker that makes this mini PC stand out from the crowd is its elite connectivity. If you look at the back, you'll see it features dual 2.5 GB network ports. For anyone into networking, IT, or building a home server, this is a massive deal. It allows you to set up a dedicated firewall, a high-speed network-attached storage system, or split your internal network traffic seamlessly. On top of that, it packs full-featured USB-C and dual HDMI ports, allowing you to hook up 3 separate displays at the exact same time. You can easily spread your work across a triple monitor workstation to maximize your productivity. The build quality is incredibly impressive too. GMKtec engineered this with an advanced cooling system that pulls cold air through the chassis efficiently, keeping the system cool and quiet even when you're pushing it to its limits. It comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed right out of the box, making it fully ready for enterprise-level security, remote desktop features, and instant office deployment. Plus, it includes a VESA mounting bracket, meaning you can literally bolt this tiny PC directly to the back of your monitor, making your computer completely invisible and freeing up every square inch of your desk space. If you are ready to ditch that bulky, slow desktop tower and upgrade to a hyper-efficient, triple display powerhouse that fits right into your backpack or behind your screen, this mini PC is a no-brainer. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you would use those dual network ports for, and I will see you in the next video.